Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. In this video, you will get to know about the most important MCQs of banking. If you are new in our channel, the previous MCQs of banking are given in the description box below, and this is very much useful for Nepal Rashtra Bank and Agriculture Development Bank to crack the first paper. Now let's start the video. Question number 1. What is repo rate? Options are rate at which the Nepal Rashtra Bank borrows money from commercial banks, rate at which commercial banks borrow money from Nepal Rashtra Bank, rate at which government lends money to Nepal Rashtra Bank, and rate at which banks borrow fund overnight from the Nepal Rashtra Bank. The correct answer is option B. Rate at which commercial banks borrow money from Nepal Rashtra Bank is known as repo rate. Question number 2. What is the full form of IPO? Options are initial private offering, initial partnership offering, initial public offering, and interest private offering. The correct answer is option C, initial public offering. Question number 3. If a bank is unable to refund the short-term deposits as funds are locked in the long-term loans, it involves options are interest rate risk, operational risk, liquidity risk, and market risk. The correct answer is option C, liquidity risk. Question number 4. What is the most powerful tool used by the Nepal Rashtra Bank to control inflation? Options are raise interest rates, raise current supply, reduce current supply, and reduce interest rates. The correct answer is option A, raise interest rates. Number 5. Commercial paper may be issued for a period of options are 90 days, 91 to 180 days, 7 days to 1 year, and all the above. The correct answer is option C, 7 days to 1 year. Number 6. The World Bank Group is made up of how many organizations? Options are 3, 5, 7, and 8. The correct answer is option B, 5, and those 5 organizations are International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD), the International Development Association (IDA), the International Finance Corporation (IFC), the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency (MIGA), and the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes (ICSID). Therefore, with the help of these 5 organizations, the World Bank Group is made up. 7. The Bank for International Settlements, which provides the banking supervision occurs, is located in which country? Options are England, USA, France, and Switzerland. The correct answer is option D, Switzerland. Question number 8. Fall in the value of currency in respect to other currencies is known as options are deflection, devaluation, depreciation, and all of the above. The correct answer is option C, depreciation. Number 9. In banking, the term DTL refers to options are detailed time limit, demand and time limit, demand and time liabilities, and all of the above. The correct answer is option C, demand and time liabilities. Number 10. Bitcoin is a options are term used in share market, payment system, intranet service provider, and internet service provider. The correct answer is option B, payment system. Number 11. Financial inclusion is meant for options are less privileged persons, senior citizens, microfinance institutions, and all the above. The correct answer is option A, less privileged persons. Number 12. What does ADBL stand for? Options are American Development Bank, Australian Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, and all of these. The correct answer is option C, Asian Development Bank. 13. Loans of very small amounts given to low-income group is called. Options are cash credit, microcredit, simple overdraft, and rural credit. The correct answer is option B, microcredit. Question number 14. Closed economy is one in which options are only export takes place, money supply is fully controlled, deficit financing takes place, and neither export nor import takes place. The correct answer is in closed economy, neither export nor import takes place. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 15. The ability of commercial banks to increase their deposits by expanding their loans and advance is known as. Options are capital expansion, capital creation, credit expansion, and credit creation. The correct answer is option D, credit creation. Question number 16. Part of company's earning or profit which is paid out to shareholders is known as. Options are premium, dividend, bonus, and sum assured. The correct answer is option B, dividend. Question number 17. Telebanking service is based on. Options are virtual banking, online banking, core banking, and voice banking. The correct answer is option D, voice banking. Number 18. Which of the following is the least liquid assets? Options are money, shares, machinery, and special deposits. The correct answer is option C, machinery. Question number 19. Which among the following is a qualitative tool of monetary policy? Options are bank rate, credit ceiling, credit rationing, and cash reserve ratio. The correct answer is option C, credit rationing. Number 20. How many digits are there in ATM cards? Options are 12, 14, 16, and 18. The correct answer is option C, 16. Number 21. What does cheap rate imply? Options are interest are very high, interest rate are very low, interest rate are medium, and all of the above. The correct answer is option B, interest rate are very low. 22. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income by. Options are area of the country, total working population, volume of the capital used, and the total population of the country. The correct answer is option D, total population of the country. 23. What does SEZ stand for? Options are Special Economic Zone, Southeast Zone, State Enterprise Zones, and Stream Environment Zone. The correct answer is option A, Special Economic Zone. Question number 24. Green banking means. Options are financing of environmental friendly projects by banks, development of forestry by banks, financing of irrigation projects by banks, and none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Green banking means financing of environmental friendly projects by banks. Question number 25. Which report is published by World Bank every year? Options are Human Development Report, World Development Report, International Finance and Development Report, and World Trade Development Report. The correct answer is option B, World Development Report. 26. SLR is maintained by banks on which of the following? Options are demand and time deposit, net demand and time deposits, demand and time liabilities, and net demand and time liabilities. The correct answer is option D, net demand and time liabilities. Question number 27. High powered money is, options are banks' reserves at the central bank, all loans and advances of banks, money held by banks and currency held by public and reserves with the central bank. The correct answer is option A, banks' reserves at central bank. Question number 28. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is related to, options are World Bank, ADB, IMF and Federal Bank. The correct answer is option A, World Bank. Question number 29. Interest payable on savings bank account is, options are decided by banks without following any condition by Nepal Rashtra Bank, not regulated by Nepal Rashtra Bank, regulated by central government, and decided by banks following the guidelines of Nepal Rashtra Bank. The correct answer is option D, decided by banks following the guidelines of Nepal Rashtra Bank. Last question for today's video. Question number 30. What is stagflation? Options are inflation with growth, deflation with growth, inflation after deflections, and inflation with depressions. The correct answer is option C. Inflation after deflections is known as stagflation. So answer is option C. Thank you for watching us this much for today's video, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, and for more please visit the description box below and check our channel. Thank you.